Yo, 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 what's the word?
Yeah.
Back in the car with some heat, you feel me? Giving niggas this tips and tricks video real quick. Cause tomorrow is the Cool Conquerors doubles event, you feel me?
Yeah.
In this event, I mean, it's smooth. It's smooth for the rep because I feel it's so easy to glitch the AI in this event where you could just get your lobs off. If you got a nigga with you to catch lobs, it's so easy to get double rep off of. So bear with me. So obviously for this event, you gonna need a nigga that can catch lobs because that's literally the whole point. Cause the whole method of scoring on these niggas, you could just do the same shit we doing where you basically backdoor cutting the entire time. You walking around the AI, sometimes you walk through the middle, and then yeah, it's just an easy cut to the bucket, and then they start trailing behind you, and you can just throw easy lobs, bro. I mean, my teammate don't like throwing lobs for whatever reason. You gonna see along the line, I'll be throwing him lobs because he got slash and take, so it work hand in hand. I got playmaking take, he got slash and take. See right there? That's easy money. Cause I'm telling you, I mean, obviously all this footage is old. I was like an All-Star 3 in this footage because I've not played Cold Conqueror 2s in months, yo. I'm talking mad months, like February type shit. But literally, this is by far one of the best days of me getting rep because I must have gone up like a calm 10 to 15% because I was bullshitting. So I'm saying if you really sit there and focus and grind that, bro, that's easy rep for anybody. You can get the games done fast, that I recommend. I mean, I don't know who the team's gonna be, but what you gonna want to do, you just gonna find the easy team. I mean, obviously play through the whole thing, just get the bum ass rewards, even though the rewards trash. We all know this. It's gonna be a fucking trash ass jersey and some VC, but find the easiest teams and just spam that. Just spam the bummiest team you can find when you play them, because like I said, at the end of the day, you play this event for the rep. You don't play it for the rewards because the rewards is trash. Unless you new. I mean, if you're new to the games, I know the game just came out for free. You can use the same tactic to win the event. Because the only thing that's really going to stop you from winning this event is when you got to play like some of these bum ass niggas that you're going to see in a minute. That type of shit we had to play. But what you call it? Yeah, you don't even really need a center. I mean, if you have a center, you could just screen up. You could just screen up your guard the whole time. And the guard could just keep shooting threes, but you don't even really need a center. We playing with two guards right here, bro. A point forward and a slasher. And we're making slight work of these niggas, you feel me? So really all it is just backdoor cutting and you just make them follow you. Now you have to watch out sometime because these AIs love to cheat. They be moving from the fucking inbound and all type of shit. You're gonna see that in a minute, bro. And that should be getting me heated. Like, they really be bending the rules for these fucking bots. Like, bro, the fucking AI literally moves from position when in front of the ball. And there's not really much you could do about it. Like I said, this is definitely, I don't know why this event doesn't come out more often, because this is definitely an event you can use to maximize rep a lot. Feel me? So you playing bum ass KD and Penny Hardaway. Now, like I said, an alternative sometimes if you can't get it off the inbound because they can't clamp you up sometimes, just cook the bot. Just do your best to like run past them. And it's easy cooks. Most of the time you can't get the lob off. You feel me? See, look at that, look at that. See how they cheating? See how they moving off the inbound and all type of shit? Obviously, you're gonna want to do your best to try and make these niggas not score as much, so you don't have to worry about losing the game. Because these bots do be on some shit. You already know how these AIs in 2K be. These niggas do the most stupidest moves that you never see, animations that we are never allowed to unlock, and they just come out and abuse you with them shits. With the most bummiest shit that you cannot do anything about. Now we over here getting clamped, so I'm just really trying to do my best to juke the bot. He got stuck. Like I said, he don't like throwing me lobs, so we just pass it. Yeah, man, you gotta do what you gotta do to go get your rep, you feel me? If you got baseline reverse dunks, take your baseline their ass, straight up. That's the only time this is allowed. Don't do that bullshit in the park. It's for bums. But these bots do like to fight back, man. Like, look at that. The bots do like to fight back. And look at the bullshit KD make. So I'm already gonna let you know right now, we fucked around and lost this game. Because Bots bite back. Look at that, he getting up 1 million contests from behind, and damn. We look like bozos right now. My fault, it's late at night, so I don't really got energy for y'all like that. But yeah, that's all you really gotta do, man. Don't be on some come up shit like us. If you enjoy, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And stay smooth, man. I'm up out this bitch. Peace.